Hi, welcome to the fifth lesson in which we'll continue working with a different sort of hairstyles. We'll analyze the men looks in the Victorian era. To do so, we'll examine a couple of pictures from Pinterest. This one. What I'm going to do is place it on a document. And from it, we'll draw a base to sketch our designs. First, we'll draw a very easy face of a male character with a strong jaw but thin face. Like this. The forehead has to be more plain than the one we made before. Don't worry about the details, we'll draw the eyes closed, a relaxed expression. And later, we'll draw the rest of elements like mustache, hair, etc. I'm going to try to draw this properly, the skull, as this has to be placed behind the ear. But not that poof. More or less like this. This mark I've just made is to make the features harder. It's to highlight the masculine features. Okay, like we did before, press Ctrl G to make copies, and then group, and make copies again. Great. There we have our 6 male busts, ready to start sketching on them. Hair, mustache, glasses. What I've done is lower the opacity to start drawing the hair, for example. And simply choose any of the hairstyles you have here. Right. In this case, the mustache is connected with the sideburns. The beard was usually irregular because facial hair wasn't easy to take care of. Only wealthy people could afford having a nice, perfect beard. We can also find different hairstyles, either curly or straight hair. The length tended to be short and well slicked back. We're going to follow the scalp to make this hairstyles, as we see in the reference image. This will save us time afterwards. Another thing to highlight is the use of bangs. As with women, short and slightly separated. We can draw it with tiny curves to the sides. As you've seen, we aren't doing great drawings, just simple lines and strokes. And here we have the third hairstyles, bangs and up to the back. Let's do now one with curly hair, kind of wavy. This line will be the one that divides the hair. It goes both sides. You can draw it without drawing the actual line. That part, the mustache, will be connected to the sideburns. Very common in that time. And then we'll have the same variation, like the first case, but the mustache reaches the beard and jaw, keeping clear the chin. This example is simply a short hairstyle. Let's draw curly lines. These small circles will give the impression of a curly hair. You have to bear in mind when drawing curly hair, try to do it with curvy lines. If you draw horizontal, vertical, or diagonal lines, they will all seem straight hairstyles, and they will look a bit serious. It will give an impression of a serious looking. In this case, we've made the beard, mustache, and sideburns much bigger. The hair is slicked back. Well, in short, we're working with a basic black brush of Photoshop. You can also try out other styles. That's the one I've used, but feel free to use the one you like. There are plenty of brushes in the internet. I encourage you to look for the other one that fits best. I hope you like this lesson. See you on the next one.